In our lecture so far, we have talked about the various topics of the syllabus. Now let's talk about some of the problems that require critical thinking. So when these problems require critical thinking, what is the right approach and how you should proceed with it? So here we have a chart. There are many questions which are based on either flowchart or Venn diagram. So reading and understanding them carefully is really important before you attempt the question. So here the first thing says, does it lay egg? So let me go through these. So butterfly, mosquito, frog, pigeon, all of them lay egg. Does it have 4 stages in its life cycle? If it is yes, and it also lays eggs in the water. So which of them lays eggs in the water? Butterfly does not. Mosquitoes and frog does. So I can have 3 of these choices. That could be the answer. But which does not lay egg in the water? So why should be the one which does not lay egg in the water? So butterfly or chicken. Now neither of them lays egg in the water. So all of them, any of these could be the correct option. Now the only thing I am left with is eggs. I have to identify eggs. Which of them would be eggs that it does not have 4 stages in its life cycle? Now what is really important? Pigeon, how many stages? Pigeon has 4 stages. What are the stages? Egg, hatchling, chick and bird. Now then we have butterflies, mosquitoes and frog. So butterfly and mosquitoes, how many stages? They again have egg, larva, pupa and adult. So how many stages? 4 stages. So pigeon has 4 stages, butterfly has 4 stages, mosquito again has 4 stages. What about frog? Frog has how many stages? Frog has the first stage, which is egg, then is tadpole, then we do have tadpole with legs. The next stage is froglet and the next stage is frog. So it does not have 4 stages. So frog would be the correct option. So based on that, I can say that the 4th one would be the right in the sequence. Why? Because frog does not have 4 stages. It has 5 stages. Butterfly does not lay egg in the water. So that's correct. And mosquitoes lay egg in the water areas. So, or the swampy areas, and therefore Z is mosquito. So D becomes the right option. The next question is again